Hi, my name's Shelley Lewis and I teach Level 2 Beauty Therapy here at East Sussex College. So Level 2 Beauty Therapy qualification will consist of learning about facials, manicures, pedicures, eye treatments, waxing, makeup and all the related anatomy and physiology. So you'll learn all about the human body, you'll learn about structures of the skin, muscles, bones, and there will be a lot of theory work and exams as well. But so generally your timetable consists of 3 full days here of study. If you haven't gained your qualifications in your GCSEs of Maths and English at your school, you will continue those studies here at college. So after you've completed your Level 2 qualification, we'll have an interview with you, see where you'd like to progress next. Your options are, you may want to go into Level 3 Beauty Therapy, you may want to go into Level 3 Complementary Therapy, or you may want to take a sidestep to hairdressing or Level 2 Makeup Artistry. We run this like a commercial business, so clients have been coming to us for many years, and we run a reception area where clients can either book it in or telephone up for an appointment. Students run their commercial salon, they go to collect their clients ready for their assessment, and we assess them throughout that treatment, and then we grade them either a pass or a fail for that treatment. By the end of the academic year, you would have completed a whole portfolio of evidence for the assessments that you've completed on your clients, and that will be your qualification. So here within the beauty department, we have 4 fully equipped salons to help you with your assessments. That will be all electrical equipment, anything from facial steamers to microdermabrasion machines, body treatment equipment, spray tanning booths, so all the things that will help you to complete your qualification. Okay, so during your academic year here, you will have the opportunity to go on some trips and visits. So we take the students to a big exhibition in London where they can see all the new trends coming into the industry, and also have the opportunity to buy equipment or perhaps treatment beds. We also invite external trainers in for the students to have additional experience in things like makeup. We recently did one for a company called Team Glam, where the students did a whole day training on bridal makeup. We'll also have a skincare company that we use, Eve Taylor. They will come in and do some training with the students also. On completion of your Level 2 qualification, there are many routes that you can go down. You may want to choose to progress onto Level 3 Beauty Therapy, Level 3 Complementary Therapy, or you may choose to sidestep to hairdressing Level 2 or Level 2 Makeup. After you're qualified, there's many routes you can go down with employment. You may choose to go on the cruise liners, own your own salon, or go and work in hotels or spas. Applying is easy. All you'll need to do is go onto the East Sussex College website, and all the information about our courses and how to apply for them will be there. We'll see you in September.
Morning, afternoon, my name's Eileen Ripley. I'm currently coordinator for Level 3 Beauty Therapy here at the Eastbourne campus. I've been in the industry for approximately 21 years. I trained here myself, and I'm working locally in a salon currently, as well as teaching here 4 days a week. Level 3 Beauty Therapy is a natural progression path from Level 2. Level 2 is your basics, manicures, pedicures, facials, etc. Level 3 will take you further on in your professional career. For example, it will include body massage, Indian head massage, hot stone therapy, electrical advanced facials, product sales and promotion. The course is assessed in several different methods. You have to produce a portfolio of written evidence and observed assessments, paperwork-wise. You will also have to be practically assessed by somebody in the industry. For example, myself or my colleague Emma Hartup will watch you working practically, give you written and verbal feedback on every occasion. At the end of every academic year, I myself go to the local members of the industry and ask them what makes our students employable. If there's anything that we have missed, anything in addition that they need. And after the last academic year, they asked us to make the focus massage. So this year we have reintroduced Indian head massage and hot stones as a generic part of the course, because that is what the employers have asked for. Post-study, this qualification, well really the world is your oyster. If you choose to work from home and you choose to have your own business, we'd highly recommend that you work in industry under somebody else's professional wing for at least 12 months before you invest all your money. If your wish is to travel, the options are you can work on cruise ships, you can work abroad in hotels, in spas. If you're interested in studying level 3 here at Eastbourne, please find your way across to our website and apply online.
I'm Elise Hamill and I work at East Sussex College and I teach hair and media makeup, the makeup part of the course. The girls are here, they have 3 lessons a week. They were with me just once a week for the makeup part of the lesson, so it's a 3-hour lesson, so it's quite an intense lesson, but the whole kind of course lasts for a year. They're doing this course for. So the course is it's a creative course, so it's an opportunity for students to learn kind of basic kind of day, evening, kind of hair, makeup through to kind of full on creative looks. So for example, today, leading into Halloween, the girls are all doing Halloween looks. So that can be anything through from kind of just kind of Halloween glam through to kind of a bit of special effects, so blood, scarring, that kind of thing. The course allows the students the opportunity to work in the makeup industry, so whether that be on makeup counters, so the likes of MAC, Charlotte Tilbury, all the big kind of makeup houses, as well as working as a freelance makeup artist as well. So whether that be mobile, have their own kind of salon, work within a salon. So there's a lot of opportunity after this course for students. So if you have an interest in working in the makeup industry, working in media makeup, then head to the website and have a look for more information.